I'm Kirsten Jenkins, style editor of Delicious. This is my chicken Waldorf salad. Celeriac is a vegetable only a mother could love, but I do love it. In this recipe, I've chosen it for its texture, its shape, and its bite. Really important, it does go brown when sliced, so put it in water with a lot of lemon juice. When prepping vegetables, it's really important to think about their shapes. And in this case, I wanted those two main vegetables to be the same. Here I've got caramel and I'm adding the walnuts to it to make candied walnuts. These are a real highlight of the recipe. They add texture, sweetness, saltiness, and crunch. These are so delicious, you'll find it really hard to stop at just one. I've poached these chicken breasts in water to keep them tender and juicy. I've decided to shred the chicken in this recipe so that the dressing can be poured over and stop the meat from drying out. I've used mayonnaise with whole grain mustard for the dressing. I'm pouring over half now and then I will drizzle over the other half later. I've got all my ingredients ready to go. I've chosen Waldorf for my leaf in this salad. I love the flavour of it, it's slightly bitter, and I also love the shape. It provides little boat cups so that dressing and ingredients can fall into. Here I've got the ugly vegetable celeriac, but cut into stick forms looks incredible against the Waldorf. Now I layer the celery, and again, same shape and the same direction of styling. I've cut the green apple in matchsticks to complement the celery and the celeriac. I've layered my vegetables and now it's time to add the chicken. The chicken is the focus in this recipe, but I also don't want to overpower the other ingredients. Choose where you place it so you can still see all the pieces of the puzzle. Break the candied walnuts into large chunks so that you have crunch and texture and a visual pop. The final touches should always be your soft herbs. I've chosen dill in this recipe to complement flavour, but also add a light touch. When I'm at magazine shoots, I always need to think about backgrounds. It doesn't have to be an expensive thing for you to do at home. This time I decided to use brown butcher's paper, fold it up to create shape and light, and lay it down. It's a really inexpensive but graphic background. To create my scene, I love layering props. I decided to style 2 plates of this salad to add a little drama to the final shot. I've added salt and pepper dishes into the shot to add another element to the style. I always wait just until we're ready to shoot to add the dressing. You don't want any of your ingredients to wilt under the dressing, and remember, use the shapes of the leaves to catch the dressing. Sprinkle your pepper over the white dressing to balance out the opaqueness. To link my backgrounds and my plates, I've decided to sprinkle salt and pepper for freeness and relaxed styling. This is my modern take on the classic Waldorf salad.